Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can enable the developer options at the Redmi Note 14 Pro. For that we will need the settings form. So just tap here on the symbol for the settings. Then you will need the first point here, about phone. And you will find the OS version number. And you have to tap this OS version number now here for 7 times. Below you can see already a countdown. And then you are a developer here for the phone. But we have to find the developer options now. For that, just go back one step so that you're back at the general settings. Now you need to scroll down to the point additional settings. And you will have the point almost at the end of the list, the developer options. Yeah, now you can do the stuff you wanted to do, maybe to enable the stay awake mode or the USB debugging or so much more. And if you're ready with the stuff you wanted to do, you can also disable them here on top like that. And just restart then the phone. And that's it. But you can have the developer options always back by just tapping 7 times on the OS version number, as I've shown you before. And by the way, if you restart the phone, nothing will be deleted. So just everything is fine. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.